Nelson.
Is that?
Sealed. The Slim Shady LP.
Those might be a lot. How much did they come out? When did they come out? Yeah, that might be...
1999.
That might be a lot.
Cool. There go the video games. Okay. Greggy's stuff. Let's see what Greggy has for us. Backpack. That's kind of staying though.
That could probably come off. What's inside of it?
Some tools.
What kind of tools?
I don't know about these, but the battery.
Yeah, that's a Milwaukee battery. That's good.
So, I don't know about the rest of it, but definitely the battery. And
anything else in there?
Stains out of here? No.
Pockets. Yeah, if that, I mean, if it's in good condition.
Looks like pretty good condition. Feels nice still. Whoopsies. It's like a
tent cover.
That's
yeah. Really garbage.
Jeff hates tents.
Yeah.
Pretty mangled and like moldy in it.
Yeah, gross.
Not gonna sell something like that.
It's a good brand though. It's too bad.
Not really sure.
What's the bottom say?
Nothing. It's just.
Yeah, it's probably not. Ooh, that's cool.
Is it like an ashtray?
I don't know.
Like a granite ashtray almost. Some rope.
What is it?
Again, I don't know, but it's some sort of tool.
Yeah, I don't know either.
Almost looks like, I have no idea. I'm not even gonna take a guess. Make myself look like a fool.
What is that?
Vapor. Oh. Okay, let's get this garbage out first.
What is it? REO Speedwagon?
A lot about records either. Got the doors.
Some of that could be worth good money. What's that?
Got a
That's
signed card. Jim Johnson. I don't know who he is. Another card.
Ooh. Card. This is like a numbered card, 19 out of 25. That could be really good. Okay. Who is it?
Is it a twin?
Tori Hunter and Juan. Authentic game worn. Yeah, that could be really good.
Let me see.
Can you get this record out of my way? It's kind of in the way. Thanks.
Here. There's a record in here.
Yeah, let's make a record pile because I feel like there's.
Yeah, we'll have to look through those.
They're in the way.
Oh man, should we get this?
No.
Okay. Your dog thing. Nothing in there. Bibles. Some editions of Bibles sell well, so we'll definitely look that one up. Lil White, the one and only.
Oh, I know who that is.
Really?
Yeah. Don't break it.
Okay.
Could be a good. That's Jelly Roll sang with him.
Oh, some more videos. Ooh.
That seems like trash.
This?
Yeah.
I don't know what this is.
What is it?
It's like a record book. There's a bunch of records in it. Victor. I just don't know enough about
I
to
don't
say
know
like
either.
anything about this, but we'll see. Always check the cards. We found some gift cards that were unused before. Not this time though. IGOGs again, so it could be. I think this might be records, the rest of the way down, but
Do you want to show which ones?
Grand Funk.
Kiss. Trick Daddy.
Mrs. Robinson. Simon and Garfunkel.
I think condition matters on these, but if there's a rare one.
Steve Miller Band.
Who's that?
Led Zeppelin. Simon and Garfunkel. Mamas and the Papas.
What's that? Is that signed?
Looks like it's just written on. Like it says Linda Pooh. Young and in Debt. Trick Trick.
That could be really good.
Oh, featuring Eminem.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
Cool. Willie Nelson.
Is that?
Sealed. The Slim Shady LP.
Those might be a lot. How much did they come out? When did they come out? Yeah, that might be.
1999.
That might be a lot.
Cool. Dynamic House. I don't know. I don't really want to undo these right now.
Maybe make another pile so that we don't tear them on the floor or something.
I have them safe over there. Santana. Rolling Stones.
Bob Dylan.
Joe Crocker. Dog Night. Janis Joplin. Prince. A little hometown flavor. Beatles. Gordon Lightfoot. The Rolling Stones. Fleetwood Mac. Oh, I love Fleetwood Mac. Is this Tracy Chapman? Yeah. Rolling Stones, Cheech and Chong. Rolling Stones again. Aerosmith. Okay. It's trippy. It's ripped. I don't really know.
Eminem again.
Nice. White Snake. Idea and Abilities. Pink Floyd. Fleetwood Mac. I mean, I don't know anything about anything here.
I don't either, but it seems
But
like there's some
seems
good
like
titles.
there could be a couple. So